What time is it, bro?
I hope this goes better than it did last time.
Yeah. It totally worked last time, right?
Yeah. I didn't account for the thing here. That didn't go well.
Oh shit.
You got in your hand?
So, got a black bean chocolate brownie. Gluten-free and dairy-free, made only from oats, black beans, coconut sugar. Okay, I'm just gonna eat this shit.
From Tunic.
Tonic.
Also known as Toxic.
Tonic.
Toxic after what I just did.
Get some like, let's try and get some, oh wow, that was not. That wasn't. Get ready. It tastes so bad.
That's what I thought. That's what I told you. It's nothing.
Wait. No, it's still bad.
It's a little bit
Two.
I look like a dad.
My song's offline right now. Can I do that?
Why are you hitting me, bro?
Bro, how many clips do you need to find?
I don't know.
I'm gonna just smack. I'm so stoked right now.
Alright, we got our hotels. Let's check
Ready?
it out. This is deluxe fee, right? Is it deluxe
That's
to
what
the
they
price of
said.
standard?
That's what they said.
Oh, better be good. I'm not like super stoked or impressed, but.
Bruh, look at that. Right there.
Ooh.
Oh, it's too bright. Holy shit. Made it.
You did.
Okay, don't leave out. I don't actually want to see it. It's 2 a.m. in the States?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
making
shit.
your birthday.
I just turned 21 for the second time today.
Whoa, trippy.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Shit. Delete that part. Cut that part out. I feel like Jack Sparrow in this bitch. Alright, whenever you're ready, bro. Oh, no, I'm nervous. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Look at me.
Close up picture. Oh, it is. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Bro. Let's fly. Oh, yeah. Grab your foot. Oh, we did it! Oh, I can't jump back.
This is way too hard.
Oh! Yeah, he made it!
So it was recently Chase's 21st birthday. So I've been icing him lately. And I got like 3 really good spots. So I figured I should show you before he figures it out. We already put one under his pillow and he didn't find it for an entire night. Like he slept on that pillow and didn't find the ice under it.
It's the rule of the game. I hid that under his pillow. It was really under his pillow all last night, and he fucking never found it. But tonight,
I hate you. It's literally like 5 days past my birthday.
I know. He is.
I hate you.
I
hate you.
Oh my god, okay, am I actually about to do this? Let's see, there's one. It's in his protein powder. Let me get that. Show it to you. It's kind of in there. I don't know if you can see it because it's dark. But yeah, there's one in there. So that'll be at a very inconvenient time.
Bro, how many fucking ices did you get? Yes. This one has protein on the bottom. Like, did you cut one in half or some shit? What if you just like filled the fridge with them and when I opened the fridge you're like, gotta drink them all?
And then there's one in his shoe. One of the shoes he likes to wear. It's a Converse. It's right there. And then it opens up and it's right there. So that'll be a good surprise when we go out tonight. And the last one is probably my favorite. Just right there on the toilet. I think he's gonna enjoy that one a lot.
Whoa! What even is that?
You gonna drink that one?
No! You better hope I stop finding them because I'm not drinking this.
I just hope you appreciate my creativity.
I do, but
why? Can you at least face the camera?
Are you recording me, Pete?
Can you face the camera?
With my okay. Okay, hold on. That's an ice on the toilet. That is good. That's creative. That's fucked up, but that's creative. That was impressive. Wow. Wait, how much time have you put into hiding ices around this room? There better not be another one under my pillow.
That'd be not creative.
That'd also be impossible because she just changed my sheets.
What if she found it? I'd be like, drink it!
He found one this morning, but he didn't drink it because he had to go to work.
You can record me not drinking it. Sorry, buddy. Sorry, buddy.
Oh, you walked into the perfect moment.
Bro, what kind of shit is this? How long did this take to set up? Hold on.
I just got that done before we walked in too. Whew.
So I think Clay still thinks it's my birthday because let me just show you. This is my room.
Happy birthday or belated birthday.
Bro, I feel like you're like 8 days too late. What is this? This is like dedication, bro.
Yeah, fuck.
Why is it doing it? Jesus Christ. It zoomed in on its own.
Right. Oh, fuck you. I guess we're getting the night started, right? Let's see how fast I can do this one.
What are good friends for, huh?
That was pretty fast.
Chase.
Fuck you! No, that's a can. It doesn't count.
No.
Nope. Not doing it.
You gotta shotgun it.
Like, that's not a Smirnoff Ice. That's
It says ice right here. ICE.
Nah,
What? Now what?
it's not a Smirnoff Ice. It's in a can.
Do you want me to get you a bottle so you can drink it?
I mean, I'd rather drink a bottle than a can.
Nah, because all my bottles are preoccupied.
Oh my. Like, how long has this even been here?
So that one's not in a can, right?
It's not a Smirnoff Ice. It's in a can.
No, that's a can. It doesn't count.
Bro, in my laundry. Are you recording?
Yeah.
In my fucking laundry.
Where's the other one?
The what?
The other one.
What are you talking about? What the hell are you talking about?
Where's the other one?
What are you talking about? I didn't even see that shit. I just grabbed my jackets, bruh.
Oh.
Yeah, I didn't even see that shit. That's good though. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Hey.
That's number 3 of tonight, but only the second you've drunk.
We literally just rode a motorbike in a flash flood.
That was pretty wild.
I was soaked. Look up there, like where the lightning is. Look at the lightning.
Damn, not on cue. Not on cue.
There it is.
There you go.
Think I can still dunk?
Nah, breathe.
I just thought you breathe.
I was wrong.
I gotta make this shot, bro. Cut.